Hey guys, it's Wolves here. So this is going to be Theta Network price prediction for December 2021, and I'm the guy who turned 5k into 300k in just a couple of months with cryptocurrencies, and I have some students that did the same thing. Okay, so I do this by investing in undervalued assets and that have insane utility, and when you have insane utility and it's undervalued, and when the price corrects itself it will absolutely blow up. So this is a portfolio membership where I show you like how I do this, and I will like this is absolutely insane, so definitely go check this out. I want to show this before we start the video because a lot of you uh like don't watch the video till the end, and usually in these videos I say it in the end of this video. So now I want to show you guys before we start here because this is so important. My whole goal with that portfolio membership is to create the best portfolio membership, crypto portfolio membership in the world. Okay, so I'm sharing like the best information, like what I have learned during these years. Anyway, so let's start this video. This is going to be the best Theta network price prediction video in the net, so watch this whole video. Anyway, so I've been in cryptocurrency since late 2016. Okay, guys. And if you look at the linear chart here, you could say that okay, Wolf. Okay, so it seems that the top price for Theta was like $14. Okay, and now we have went down for like $4. So it seems that it's a bargain still right now. So it looks like, yeah. So yeah, we have gone down a lot, and yeah, right now would be pretty good buying opportunity, but I say no. Okay, and the reason I say no is because if you look at logarithmic chart, we are still trading at the all-time high prices. If this dumps, this can dump so much that it's absolutely incredible. Yeah, it just has so much down. It can go so much down still. So that's why I have not bought Theta network, and the reason for that is also because I know that this token was insanely hyped. Okay, insanely hyped, and they are doing huge things, absolutely huge things. But still, if you like, do you actually use their product yourself? I don't know no one who uses this, no one right now. But I think that it could this definitely have the chance to skyrocket in the future, because let me show you. And so this is Link. This is not Chainlink, but this is Link. This is the Japanese version of like watch apps. They have like this is like in one app called Line. They have like WhatsApp. They are not using WhatsApp, but similar WhatsApp, Netflix, Spotify, YouTube. They have basically everything here. And this is the blockchain of the Line, kind of like a whatever it is company, and they have, let me show you here. I can't remember where I saw it, but these guys are partnering up with Theta. So they are basically integrating Theta to the Line blockchain. Okay, so this seems a huge partnership. So I don't know if you know about that. Definitely want to check out also Line if you're interested in Theta, because I think these guys are working with partnerships, and it's very nobody knows it basically. So yeah, it's pretty cool. Anyway, so yeah, I don't know that many like people. For example, if you're watching this video right now, you're still watching it on YouTube. You're watching this video on centralized platform called YouTube. So I do believe that YouTube is so big, and it's just hard for me to imagine that YouTube would just disappear in just like a year or two. I mean, I don't really know what's going to happen, but YouTube is such a monster. It's just such a monster that yeah, I don't really know about. But Theta is the next generation video entertainment blockchain powered by you. Okay, so that's what's up with the Theta. And yeah, but you can see that in the enterprise validator nodes there are Google and Sony and all this stuff. But for me, for example, I think that I don't know, man. This is definitely not in my circle of companies. I don't know how streaming works. I don't know any of this stuff, like how it works right now. Like if I would ask you three questions about like how does streaming work, and what are the current issues of streaming and why they are issues, and how much does it cost for one person to watch stream, like could you answer these questions? If you don't, then it's probably not in your circle of competence neither. Okay, so that's basically why I'm not buying it, because it's already so the price is already so pumped up. For example, and on this channel I just tell my opinion. I don't like, I'm just telling you what I think. I'm not financial advisor, so don't just, what I'm saying, not sweat about it. Anyway, so what I'm buying is always undervalued assets that have insane utility, and this would be undervalued if it was here, if I would be buying, for example, here, so that's why I'm not buying it here, because it's just something that I think that the margin of safety is not good on this one. I talk about all this stuff on the membership, and yeah, so this is, I'm not buying this right now, even though the dip is just insane. But if you look at the logarithmic chart, and I go in depth on what is logarithmic and linear in the membership also, but if you look at here, like, no way I'm buying this. I mean, just no way. Nah, bruh. Because it might be like, it's just there's just many more opportunities right now. And yeah, I can do some charting here also if you guys want to watch some charting. I'm not like an expert on charting, I just started it out, but I think that it's funny to do. Okay, so let's do it, because people just absolutely love charting. I don't know what's, but I like to watch charting too. It's so mesmerizing to watch these charts. Anyway, so here, for example, um yeah, let's pull up a couple of trend lines here. Let's just use this one, I might as well. So I do believe, and you can see that the lows, by the way, can go down as under $2. So yeah, I think that we're going to trade between these two trend lines here, and or we're going to, like, you can see we printed down $3.60. So yeah, we're coming back down to $3.60. I do believe that we can go back down as like under $3, and yeah, I think that it's very possible. I'm very bullish on the cryptocurrency in the long term, and I do believe that this can absolutely go up a lot. But it's just something that I'm not buying right now, because I have found better opportunities. There's also the opportunity cost. So yeah, that's my thoughts about it at the moment. And some people just like to talk about things that they talk about, but I like to talk about just things that I think about. I don't even know what it means, but basically what I'm trying to say here is that I'm just creating these videos because I want to create these videos. Some people create the videos because they wanted to, like, to tell some. I don't know how to. I don't care. The point is I don't care if you like me. Like, I just want to tell the truth that I'm thinking right now. You know what I'm saying? But anyway, what I think in the whole crypto space is that I think that we can definitely have a new high here in 2022 if the blow off top doesn't come in 2021 December. I think that it's not coming. Um, yeah, I think that the bull cycle continues to as a super cycle to 2022. And yeah, there's definitely could be the case that also that we just enter a quick bear market here, and it's like a couple of months, and then we start going back up again. Something like this. I do believe that it's just so I don't buy it that this is the bear market right now. And even if it's a bear market, I don't think that it's going to be as long as the last one. Because if you look at the markets in general, it's starting to be like, it's not it of course, Bitcoin is still like, if Bitcoin goes up, everything goes up. If Bitcoin goes down, everything goes down. But it's starting to get a little bit like, what is really valuable will just go up, in my opinion. It's just also in the long term. So yeah, that's my thoughts about Theta network right now. And I know this videos was all over the place, so I have not shown my face in many of my videos, but I created this video to show my face, just to get more used to just talking about in front of camera, because I find it more easier to just talk about without camera. But anyway, I'm trying to improve myself here. So if you have anything like suggestion on how I can make this video better, thank you so much. You can leave the comments here, and if you don't like this video, you can leave the comments here. I don't really care. And see you inside membership, because this is absolutely insane. This is absolutely insane opportunities. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'm the financial advisor, and peace out.